Put your hands up. Girl in a bikini. Everybody got a red cup. In a the pool party, oh. Like a scene from a movie. Starring everybody. Oh.
Good morning. Good afternoon, really. Beautiful world. Hi. In the background is mommy talking, so yeah. But I'm here, barefaced, fresh face, all of that. Don't feel like putting on no makeup today. I'm heading out. I have an appointment. Shami coming with me because it's Saturday. Yes, it's Saturday. And just here waiting on her and my driver. Yeah, that's all that's going on today. And it's a hot day as usual. Yes, I'm just here chilling, killing time. Oh guys, now watch my finger them. Them one do. I broke them off because I did one of my Halloween madness. I didn't want the nails on, you know. I did a male transformation. That's gonna be fun to watch. Y'all don't even know it. But yeah, so no man wears nails like unless he's gay. So yeah, that's why I took them off. So I need to go hit up my nail tech right quick. You know, okay. So yeah, cause right now them not look good, them not look cute at all, and I don't like when nails look this awful. So yeah, and I'm wearing my wooden watch. Yes, wooden watch. Before I got it, I was like, wooden watch, does that even exist? But yeah, yo, I really like it. I've been wearing it a lot from the other day. Every time I go on the road, this is my like road watch. But I really do like it. It's unique, it's different, it's really it's exclusive. Like, yeah, I like exclusive stuff. Like, you're not gonna really go on the road and find people with wooden watch on. So that's really good. The quality is amazing. I love it so far. I have a review over on my main channel about it too. Yeah, I look like a nerd right now, don't I?
Them a walk with a load Glock. Want see me in a board box. Same friend when me put up a throwback. Never deserve a space but my Kodak.
Fix things. Unruly. Them a gonna need wings for catch we up. Wings for catch we up. Cause I'm way up. We up there. Way up. Stay up.
No bad first sight. No bad first sight. Then just in my last night. She said she can't get over me, and me can't get over she. Anyhow, I wanna make you a wine up on me, so girl, you fall in love. Me buy you a ticket to Barbados, girl, you fall in love. Nice. What you do today?
I do some work every day.
What?
Work.
Where work I go? I that you pick, that never night. Me feel for some NSC. VSOP, you know want see no walk, no J.O.B. Call some girl from the Gaza or J.O.B. Them know me unruly, we O.D. Kiko, like a penalty. If you diss me, I'm gonna pay the penalty.
Finished the bridal trial. It was a bridal trial, and I will not be inserting any pictures. I'm gonna save that for the actual wedding day. But you saw the clips of me applying it just now. So yeah, I'm going to go home and start editing this people on.
I have a feeling we are going to till we off. Me there for you whenever you feel alone. Take me wallet and everything me own. Give you me heart but me charge me for me soul. And if we let me still I love you feel like some likes we done not nice. Or like Tammy and Marshall or Chandel and Kimlal. Baby feel me, squeeze me. We can move mountains.
Reach home back stop at tasty, buy some patty and thing. So yeah, I'm just gonna set it back in. I might be going back out on the next job this evening, not sure. Going to check my email because somebody had contacted me for some birthday thing, so I'm going to check that and see what's up. But for right now, I'm going to start editing this vlog. I don't know why the flash is on. Can't wait for take it on. Anyway, we'll walk. So I need to go buy some cards to prepare for your assignment. I need some credit. Fool. You fool. What's something for your class?
No push you, no push you.
You push me and I will squeeze you.
Yeah, squeeze money at the ground.
My nigga, I have skills. Okay. Don't make that sound. You sound stupid.
Shut up, Annie.
You shut up.
Allow me, let me live my life.
Do you allow me let me live?
Oh my gosh.
Okay. You're such a wimp. She's scared. She's scared on a low, acting like she the Powershot. Oh my gosh. My rhyme on point though.
What?
My rhymes. Wait, she's scared on the low, acting like the Powershot, but she knows she. Oh my gosh, what are you doing? But done. People, I'm here about to set up. I don't remember if I mentioned to you guys that I'm having another shoot for faces. So doing it at my house. So they're on their way now. So the models and the photographer. So I'm just going to set up and do this. I'm gonna show you kind of like some of the processes, but y'all gotta head over onto my main channel to see what I did with the beautiful models on Makeover Mondays. So yeah, but it's Sunday and I'm about to get this. So yeah, plus now I have to cut my sleeping off because of the shoot here, so everything better go well. So you see I set up my camera and thing, guys. See it there? Oh, don't it look good? Yes, my tripod and my camera and thing. I'm ready. I'm ready. Still waiting on the model. She didn't reach yet. She's late. So yeah, excuse my crustiness. But I finished with the model. I'm not giving a close up her. See her there? She pretty doing it. Yes. So y'all gotta stay tuned. Head over to my main channel for Makeover Mondays to see this beauty get glammed up. What Shami gone? Shami was the video and everything. You know, you don't know Shami, my assistant already. So yeah, she is feeling herself. So now.
What if my wife a party? What if my wife a party? Live your life before you lost it. Me feel the vibes, I know me charge it. Me want relax my mind. Me want a life.
So guys, I finished with all the models now. I know I look crusty. Please don't judge me. I just say go life, I work, me I work. One of the models right here, not giving you guys no close up. You gotta stay tuned for Makeover Month. Jesus! Oh my gosh! You can't! Oh, I'm not doing it. Oh my! You're making me emotional. You see what Shami do? It's alright, Shami. Trust me, it's alright. Trust me. I'll get you back. But anyway, the other one is over there. Taking her picture. Looking bold and ill. Yes. There was another one, but she already did her pictures and she left. So we're wrapping up now, doing the final touches, and that's it. My arm is hurting. Making selections of the best shots. They know the shots that we prefer, that we want to use for the website. We're going through them.
So I know you have my nose.
You don't want to show her face. She ain't big, but look at me. Look at me. Okay.
These are really nice. I'm very pleased.
Yes, they're very nice. We are very pleased. Very, very.
Okay, she just said that though.
Well, let me be though. Good people, I'm here making this wig for a client. I started like an hour ago, and this is with some Russian virgin hair. So yeah, this is what the rest of my evening looks like. I have like some other bundles. This is from Chic here, by the way. Let me show you. These are the other bundles, guys, and look at that. It's so soft. These are some Peruvian virgin hair, and this is like so nice. So, and oh, there's a closure for it too. So I'm going to color. I actually need to bleach this, then color it, and then make the wig. So yeah, I'm not gonna make that tonight, but yeah, I know for sure I'm gonna finish making this tonight. So yeah, one wig down and one more to go. This is it. This is it. Don't mind my mannequin face. Shall me do it so? Is you do it so now, but I go like kind of you mark up the mannequin face about. But yes, this is it. She wanted it curly and fluffy. I'm gonna set up the closure yet, but as you can see, it's a very it's a 3-part closure, so it's pretty nice. I'm gonna cut off ears and something now. But yes, it's Monday. I'm waiting on the client that you saw me making the wig for last night. Yeah, waiting on her, you know, to come. I have it next week to make for her, by the way, and right afterwards I'm going to be heading on the road to pick up some stuff. Hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. I mean, I was kind of working right throughout, you know, just here chilling, waiting on her. Yeah, rain was falling earlier. It's a bleaky day, but I mean, I like it because the time was really hot. So the rain falling is cooling down the place, and I enjoy that. So yeah. Yep. Oh, I'm wearing this wig that I made the other day. Recently made this wig like about a week ago, or maybe a week and a half ago. Is it? I think it's like a week and a couple days ago. Next week I have an update coming on this here on my main channel, because I have a number of things I need to get off my chest about it, good and bad. But yeah. So guys, I'm so excited. She loves it.
I do.
This is the
love
wig
it.
you see me make last night. Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful.
Yes.
It's so beautiful.
Yeah, she did an excellent job on this.
I'm happy. I'm happy.
And I believe it's really fantastic. It's the best wig I've ever gotten done. So this is truly brilliant. I love it.
Thank you so much. It's a wonderful Monday.
Yeah.
I'm finished with everything that I have to do on the road today. I'm gonna head back in. I already went ahead and made the video public that I have to publish today. So I'm gonna go in and promote it now and then start making the other wig. I'm so happy she was you see, I was acting a fool in the previous clip, but I was so happy that she's happy with the wig. Like, yeah, but this is where I'm gonna end this vlog. So I guess I'll talk to you guys in my next one. So I'll see you guys on Saturday, alright? Him love you, but him love what she have. Miss Hollywood, yes, 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 yes. Work it, girl. You